Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best sweater racks is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for maintaining the shape and longevity of your favorite knitwear, preventing the dreaded stretching and distortion that can occur with traditional drying methods, ensuring your cozy sweaters remain looking as good as new for seasons to come. Number 5. HOMIDEC Large 4-Tier Foldable Clothes Drying Rack. Introducing a large, 4-tier drying rack designed to handle all your laundry needs. With ample space and multiple hanging options, it's perfect for drying clothes, towels, and even quilts. Crafted from high-hardness stainless steel and robust plastic, this drying rack is built to last. Its sturdy design ensures stability and resistance to rust, providing long-term reliability. Moving your laundry setup is a breeze thanks to the 4 castor wheels. 2 of these wheels feature brakes, allowing you to easily secure the rack in place when needed. Get your drying rack ready in minutes. With clear instructions, assembly is straightforward and can be completed by one person in under 10 minutes. This multifunctional rack is ideal for any space, whether it's your balcony, patio, or laundry room. It's perfect for drying clothes and even storing shoes on the bottom layer. When not in use, this drying rack conveniently folds down to save valuable space. Its smart design makes storage simple and efficient. What we like? This drying rack offers a massive amount of drying space, perfect for large families or heavy laundry days. Its durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity, and the included casters make repositioning a breeze. If you have a lot of clothes to dry and need to move your drying rack frequently, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Great size, fits everything we want to dry for a family of 4. Sturdy and compact floor-wise. The design is cool. I like that the shelves fold down. If you have to hang something longer, you can get them out of the way or for easy storage. Solid, sturdy, mobile, high capacity, space efficient, and well-finished drying rack. Number 4. SONGMICS Foldable Laundry Rack ULLR52BU. This all-in-one drying solution offers ample space for all your laundry needs. With 24 hanging rods and 27 clips, you can dry large loads and secure smaller items with ease. The adjustable wings allow you to customize the drying height for items of all lengths. From shirts to sheets, everything will hang perfectly. When not in use, it folds down flat for easy storage in narrow spaces. Its lightweight design makes it a breeze to transport and position wherever you need it. Assembly is a breeze with numbered parts and step-by-step instructions. You'll have your laundry rack set up in no time, with no screws needed. Constructed with thick steel tubes and durable connectors, this drying rack is built to last. It's rust-resistant and strong enough to hold up to 55 pounds. What we like? This drying rack is an all-in-one solution, featuring adjustable wings for different garment lengths and built-in clips for small items. Its rust-resistant finish means you can use it both indoors and outdoors. If you're looking for a versatile rack that can handle everything from shirts to socks and is built to last in various environments, consider this option. What people say. Holds many damp towels after coming out of the pool. It is a stable product that a 5- and 6-year-old can use without it falling over. It's huge and solid and fits a lot of clothing on it. I also love the sock clips on one end. Very easy to assemble. This rack dries a lot of clothes and is easy to set up. It folds nicely and pretty flat, so storage is easy. Number 3. Storage MANIAC Sweater Drying Rack 4-pack. Introducing our sweater drying rack, built for stability and durability. Each rack is constructed with high-quality plastic pipes and reinforced corners for lasting use. The open mesh netting ensures excellent airflow, allowing your delicate garments, sweaters, pillows, and toys to dry quickly and without damage. It prevents scratching and staining, keeping your items in pristine condition. Maximize your space with our stackable design. These racks can be securely stacked, providing ample room between layers for efficient drying and easy access. Each can also be used individually. This set includes 4 racks, perfect for drying sweaters, delicates, pillows, and toys. They are also ideal for drying plants and herbs, making them a versatile addition to your home, whether used indoors or outdoors. Setting up is a breeze with no tools required. If you encounter any issues, our customer service is ready to provide a professional solution within 24 hours. What we like? This set of drying racks is ideal for delicates, with a mesh design that prevents snags and allows for flat drying. The stackable feature is a huge space saver. If you frequently wash delicate items like sweaters or lingerie that need to be laid flat to dry, and you appreciate efficient storage, this multi-pack is perfect for you. What people say. The assembly is fairly easy, there are no screws or tools needed, so it also comes apart easy. The net is thin, which aids in decreasing drying time, and it is sturdy and still holds any heavy-duty sweater or heavy item I need to dry without a problem. This drying rack has been one of my best buys. It was quite easy to put together and it is quite sturdy. Number 2. SONGMICS Foldable Clothes Drying Rack ULLR 540W01. Elevate your laundry routine with this spacious drying rack. It offers ample drying lines to easily accommodate everything from delicates to bulky linens, making laundry day a breeze. This rack features a convenient foldable design that allows it to fit into any corner seamlessly. When not in use, its compact size makes storage a breeze, freeing up valuable floor space. Designed with your convenience in mind, it includes a smooth sliding loop and a secure clip to keep the wings in place when folded. The floor-friendly feet protect your surfaces. This durable rack is built to last with a rust-resistant coating, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Dry your clothes anywhere, from your balcony to your garden. Choose an energy-efficient solution that reduces your carbon footprint. The gentle air drying process also helps keep your clothes in impeccable condition, extending their lifespan. What we like. This drying rack provides an extensive amount of drying space, suitable for everything from small items to bulky linens. It folds remarkably flat for easy storage and features a rust-resistant coating for durability. If you need to maximize your drying capacity in a limited space and want a reliable rack for both indoor and outdoor use, this model is a strong contender. What people say. This sweater drying rack is designed with multiple tiers, allowing you to dry several garments at once without them touching each other, which helps prevent stretching and misshaping. The mesh surface of the drying rack is smooth and sturdy, providing excellent support for delicate sweaters and preventing snags or damage. It is easy to assemble and disassemble, making it convenient for storage when not in use. Number 1. SONGMICS 2-Tier Clothes Drying Rack ULLR 512W01. This drying rack is designed to be compact, making it perfect for smaller living spaces. When not in use, it folds down neatly to stay out of your way. Easily arrange your clothes on the 3 rotating arms. You can effortlessly turn them to hang or remove laundry from any side. It offers ample space with multiple hangers and clips, capable of holding a significant amount of clothing and accessories. Setting up or taking down this rack is a breeze, requiring just a minute. Its portability makes it ideal for use even when you're camping. Crafted with a stainless steel main pole and legs, it ensures rust resistance and durability. The 4-legged base provides superior stability. What we like. This drying rack stands tall with rotatable arms that allow for 360-degree access, making it easy to hang and remove clothes. It also includes clips for smaller items and is designed to be easily set up and taken down, making it portable. If you value convenience, easy access to all your drying items, and the ability to take your drying rack with you, this is a great choice. What people say. The sweater racks are sturdy and hold their shape well, preventing sweaters from stretching out. Easy to assemble and hang over the shower rod, making drying sweaters a breeze. The mesh material allows for good air circulation, which helps sweaters dry quickly and prevents mildew. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.